So, I decided to make a video about my dog, Mr. Fluffy. Now let me tell you, this dog is not your average pooch. He's got brains, I'm telling you, like Mensa-level intelligence. I mean, this dog can do things that would put most humans to shame. For example, he can solve complex math problems in his head. I'm not kidding. I once caught him calculating the square root of 576 while I was trying to figure out how much to tip the pizza delivery guy. And don't even get me started on his language skills. This dog speaks 3 languages fluently: English, Spanish, and dog. Yeah, that's right, dog. He can communicate with other dogs in their own language.